A very good evening to all the coders. Today I welcome you back to one of the exciting video of my channel. That is, we are going to discuss many different and interesting projects of Python today. I will be giving overview of the different projects that you can create using Python, and in the next video, in the later videos, we will be discussing implementation of these projects. So to start with, our first project of Python that you can work on, you can send an email using Python. There are many different projects of Python that you can work on. We can create many task automation projects. We can create the projects of data analysis. We can create the projects of image processing. So the projects that we can work on in Python, they are countless. So we are discussing today the very first project that we can send email using Python. So my dear coders, not only this, you can even send one-time password using the Python. That is an SST nowadays. One-time password that can be sent using Python. You can send email to multiple recipients using Python. Even you can automate various tasks using Python. You can automate your favorite app, that is WhatsApp, using Python. You can automate Excel using Python. You can automate many graphical user interface applications using Python. This great language Python, it provides a very good library, that is Kinter. Using Kinter, we can create many interesting graphical user interface applications, and we can create many interesting games that can be used later by kids, and we can also enjoy them. And along with this, we can also create the countdown timer using Python. Digital clock can be created using Python. As you know, nowadays coronavirus cases, they are increasing at an alarming rate. So just to keep track of the active cases that are generated daily, so we can create coronavirus notification system using Python. That will give you the active cases, number of deaths, and what are the cases that are reported in a particular area. So along with this, you can generate QR code using Python. There are many projects that you can work on, my dear viewers, and in this project, basically in Python, all the projects that we work on, it needs different types of libraries. The very interesting project is face recognition system. Nowadays security is an issue everywhere. So in Python, we can create the strong and secure face recognition system, for which we need the different libraries. We need OpenCV. That is one of the library that we can use for the face recognition system in Python. And along with that, we can generate password generator, can be the project of the Python that we can use. Even we can extract audio from the video using Python. You can extract text from speech using Python. And I want to tell you what is the beauty of this language. Unlike other languages, to work on different projects in Python, to handle the different projects in Python, it's really an interesting task as compared to other languages. Sometimes you just need to write 2 to 3 lines of code and your project is over. So this is all about the beauty of this language. So what to wait for? We should work on different projects.